us two, surrounded by the stars. Oh, they're shining just for you. It's getting colder, baby. Let me keep you warm all night. Tell me what you wanna do, 'cause baby, I am all for you. Come and ride with me tonight. Please don't you go, I'll be alone. Wait until the morning, I'll hold you close. Please don't you go, I'll be alone. Wait until the morning, right until it's dawning. The way you look tonight, girl, is way too unbelievable. I know I'm the lucky one. Wonder what I've done to deserve you. Come and ride with me tonight. Please don't you go, I'll be alone. Wait until the morning, I'll hold you close. Please don't you go, I'll be alone. Wait until the morning, right until it's dawning. Please don't you go, I'll be alone. Wait until the morning, I'll hold you close. Please don't you go, I'll be alone. Wait until the morning, right until it's dawning. She's moving out of town. She emptied her bank account, cashed out her mother's brown chaise lawn, and her gone. Bus leaving after lunch in the gloomy and drizzly spell. She looked in the eyes of a neighbor's son while he frowned. She told that boy there is a place where she belongs. Said yes, I'm sure, well, not too sure. I guess I just have to go